ocean beneath the sun's blaze, pushing earth like it's a dance we all praise. Boots crunching dusty, airways heavy, steel and grit in his veins, always steady. The mud clings tight as the engine hums, leveling life where the wild things come. A hard hat crown and soul of fire, an excavator king hearts admire. He moves the world with steel in his hands, dust and dreams shaped by his commands. Through dirt and sweat, Leonora's alive, digging his path where futures thrive. He moves the world with steel in his hands, dust and dreams shaped by his commands. Through dirt and sweat, Leonora's alive, digging his path where futures thrive. Sweat on his brow, yet he cracks a grin, his craft a rhythm of the earth within. A symphony of rock breaking loud, Leonora's work is his golden shroud. Hard-working hands, a machine's embrace, each scoop a story of scars retrace. Mud and dust, but his heart won't crack. He levels the chaos and brings it back. He moves the world with steel in his hands, dust and dreams shaped by his commands. Through dirt and sweat, Leonora's alive, digging his path where futures thrive.